Another little haul video with some tips. So went back to Goodwill and the Habitat for Humanity store, and at Goodwill came across this for $1.99, blind box aliens, which of course was open, and inside you have Newt Plus her helmet that what's his name, Hicks gave her, and really cool, the little doll head. So obviously that gives me inspiration for an aliens diorama. Then over to Habitat for Humanity, I spent a total of $1.87 right there. And what did I get? Well, I got these plate joining biscuits, whole, well, it's about half full, and got a buck, got them for $1, and they're cool little pieces of wood. You can use them on all sorts of things. I found this, and I thought this could be all sorts of stuff. Could be a light fixture, could be some high-tech machine thing, could be the back of a thruster engine, whatever. This, awesome. So this is 20 cents. This was 50 cents. And then these, which could be knobs or all sorts of things. These are brass, antique brass. I paid, how much did I pay for those? 50 cents. So, if you have a smartphone and you go to a place like this and you have UPC codes, what you can do is go to your barcode scanner, which you can download free. Here's my barcode scanner. And then, if you have enough light, you hold it over there and it grabs it. And after the advertisement, you'll have your UPC thing pull up, and it'll give you, oops, I need 3 hands, you know. So it'll give you 2 options on it. It'll give you product search and web search. And so you can go to either one and find out how much things are worth. And see if I can do this again, have it pull up for me. Yeah, the light's not taking, you need some good light, but anyway, it grabs it and it gives you options. And so when you're at Goodwill or any place where you can scan a barcode, then you can find out right away that a new one of these is like $8, $7, $8, and these are like $3 each. So I got 8 of them for $1, and yeah, probably too big for 6 or 7 inch figures, but for you 12-inch figure guys, great doorknob. And then moving on to things I picked up off the ground in the various parking lots, some cool looking stuff. And then one other thing before I forget, look at this awesome, almost already made diorama, which was at Habitat for Humanity. It was a kind of a shipping crate around an air conditioner or something, And they were going to throw it out, and I said, "Do you mind if I take it?" He goes, "No, go ahead." So look at what's that going to become. So keep your eyes open, and garbage sometimes comes to you free if you ask for it. Fortune favors the bold. And then finally, a little tip for you. For engine nozzles and things, these kind of caps that come on these squeeze type of bottles or lotions and stuff, they're awesome. So you just put them in real hot water to get all the gunk off. But look at the nice patterns they have. You paint those up, awesome. Thruster nozzles. Little tip thrown in, no extra charge. So that's all I have for you today, but I want to thank you for noticing this notice. Your noting has been noted and it was reported to the authorities. So yeah, remember this side down, Void, my good friend Chuck. Yeah, so I collect, remove that. I collect all the little things here, clearance. Yeah, it's organic. Yeah, I'm weird. So for the awesome spider rug, I am out.